Google Doodle celebrates Peruvian songbird Yma Sumac. On the anniversary of her birth, the 1950s singer, who was famed for her incredible vocal range, has been given the Doodle treatment. Peruvian chanteuse Yma Sumac is the latest famous figure to get the Google Doodle treatment, with the search giant celebrating the career of the 1950s performer on its homepage. Sumac was born Zoila Augusta Emperatriz Chávarri del Castillo in the early 20s, although there's some debate over exactly where, and whether she was born on September 13, 1922 or 3 days earlier in 1923. She first appeared on the radio in 1942. Google has paid its respects Wednesday with a colorful reworking of its logo. She signed to Capitol Records in 1950, touring Europe and Africa 2 years later. Sumac worked across genres including exotica, mambo lounge and, later, rock. Her vocal range was just as broad, hitting notes across a whopping 5 octaves. Sumac died in 2008 in Los Angeles.